I've made it this far. If I mess up right now, guys, I'm gonna be so mad. Y'all already knew this video was coming because y'all already know me and y'all know how I am and how I feel about this brand. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up, even though I didn't do anything yet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And today, clearly, do I need to explain further? So yes, as you can see by the title, this is going to be a Fenty review. We are going to be going over the Moroccan Spice. I guess the whole collection is Moroccan Spice. I don't know. But we are going to be going over this eyeliner. And we're going to be talking about this palette. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to do a whole tutorial. And then once I get to my eyes, we're going to go from there. We're going to start off with our usual Fenty Beauty Primer. Alright, next we're getting into the brows. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Alright, next I'm going to take my Sephora Bright Future Concealer in the color Pot de Creme, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. Eyebrows are doing some weird things right now, but you know, what's really new about my eyebrows? Now, Rihanna did release an eyeshadow primer with this collection, but seeing as I compared the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, which I'll be using, with her primer, they seem pretty comparable, so I think this will be fine. I have a lot of this. I just bought this not too long ago, so I didn't want to buy another primer and then just have two whole primers. But yep, so for now we're just going to be going with this one. Alright, you guys, so eyeshadow time. Let's get into this packaging. So it's pretty simple compared to I think the Galaxy palette case. I really can't remember what the outside looked like, to be honest with you, but you know, it's just a nice navy blue, and then on the back it has all the colors and their names and everything. It does say rich velvety color, ultimate staying power, limitless day to night looks for every mood. And then it's other languages. So yeah, that's it. So let me go ahead and open it. This is what we're going for. It's giving me Future vibes with like the watercolors and stuff. And yeah, and then we have the back here, which is just the colors again. And I always get confused when I try to read this, but because, you know, you're trying to, like, flip it over, so you don't really know, but, yeah. Okay. So, and I already got fingerprints all over here. It does come with the mirror, and I don't know if I'm shining at you guys' faces. If I am, I'm sorry. So, it does come with a mirror, and it does have the little plastic cover over it. And then here we have all the shades. And I guess I should swatch the shades for you guys, shouldn't I? So I'm going to do the top row. And mind you, my hand doesn't have any primer on it. Okay, so here are those colors. I don't know if you can see them. They're coming up. But the white one, the first one on this side, that looked like it was white in the case. But obviously it's not. It's pink. And then this gold color too on the top row. That's very, very pigmented. Okay, so here's the next 4. Here we have... Actually, let me name them for you guys. Sorry. So this one is Moroccan Ice. And then we have Mirage. Then we have Casablanca with the like a cash sign. Then there's Marrakesh. Then this is supposed to be like a gray. It's not really showing up. Shisha Smoke. Then the pink one here is going to be Sahara Stunna. Then we have Quicksand. And then Desert Baked. So those are all the colors so far. And like I said, there's 16. So, and I think like so far the glittery colors are showing up very well. The matte colors, not so much. Okay, so these 4 we have here are going to be the next row. So this is Evil Genius, Fez Up, Saffron, and then Come and Get It. Alright, and so this is going to be the bottom row. Here, starting on this side, we have Sock It To Me, and then we have Nuts and Dates, and then it's Hennessy. Haha, Hennessy. That's cute. And then we have Spice Trip. So those are going to be all the 16 colors and shadows. As you can kind of see on my arm, the matte shades aren't really as pigmented as the glitter and pearl shades. But I'll see if that becomes a problem when I'm doing my shadow. We're just going to go ahead and start. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea in my head. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm actually going to go into my crease first, obviously. I'm going to take Spice Trip in my crease. So this one right here. And it's actually pretty creamy. I like it. It feels nice. There's a bit of fallout on the case, but I mean it's eyeshadow, so I guess you know, some is to be expected. So, but yeah, it's blending in very nicely and smoothly. And this palette is actually giving me fall vibes as well. I know we're not in the fall season just yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll have a lot of use for this once the fall actually does come. I don't see myself using this too much right now just because the colors are a little out of season, in my opinion. Yeah, and it's working really good with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer too, so that's good. Alright. That actually showed up a little bit darker than I thought it would, but that's okay. So now I'm going to take... Okay, so I'm going to take Hennessy, which is this color, and I'm going to deepen... Sorry if I'm blinding you guys. And I'm going to deepen my crease. I think I know what I want to do, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, so now I'm going to take Nuts and Dates, which is this color right here, and I'm going to go in my outer corner. Okay, This is blending in a little too much. I think the colors that I used are too close together. So I'm actually going to try to take some of this gray, what's it called? There's some of the Shisha smoke right here. And I'm going to kind of buff out my outer area to see if I can smoke it out a little bit. I know it looks light in the pack, but I'm hoping it'll go on a little different. Oh no, it's still going on light. Okay, and I'll just kind of blend this up into the crease as well. Well, at least it's true to color, guys. It's me, it's not the palette. Alright, so now I'm going to take Sahara Stunna, which is this pink right here. And I'm gonna go on my lid. I'm getting a little bit of something, some contrast going on here. Alright, so next we're gonna do foundation. I was gonna use my sample of the new Born This Way, the Jackie Aina extension, and I actually got spiced rum to test out, and I actually wore it to work yesterday, and it matched so good it was scary. But this is actually a Fenty review, so I'm gonna be trying to use all Fenty products wherever I can. So I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 440.
Julo, get them racks.
Alright, now I'm gonna take my concealer. I'm gonna highlight with my Kat Von D Lock-It. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna highlight with my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer in the color D37. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty matchstick. And I actually could have highlighted with my matchstick, but I didn't think about it. Kat Von D is his sister brand anyway, so it's okay. Yeah, so I'm going to take my Fenty matchstick in Espresso, and I'm going to contour. Alright, so I'm going to bake with my Laura Mercier setting powder in medium deep. Okay, now I'm gonna set my contoured areas with my black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony. Alright, so going back into the Moroccan Spice palette, I'm gonna go here to this blue, and it's called Evil Genie. So I'm taking Evil Genie on my bottom lid. Alright, y'all, now we're gonna see about this eyeliner. She calls it Flyliner. Here's the packaging. And it says super flex tip, hyper saturated color, fade proof, water resistant, long wear. Okay, and we're gonna see about that. It is a liquid liner. Here's the it's kind of like a triangle shape. I don't know if you guys get to see it that way. Yeah, and the color is cause I'm black. But yeah, it's a felt tip liner. You guys know I'm really bad at this, so if I mess up my eyeliner, just bear with me, okay? I've made it this far. If I mess up right now, guys, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, so that didn't turn out too bad. I thought it would be a lot worse, you know. I don't know how even it is, but well, all right. We have gotten somewhere. I'm gonna be using my Sephora Plush lashes. Alright, so I'm just gonna speed through the rest of this. This is basically my finished look. I'm just gonna highlight and then I'll let you guys see at the end. I'll do my slow-mo. But all in all, I actually like the collection. I think it's really good. I think it'll be great for the fall time. The eyeliner went on really smooth. I don't know. I guess the length of the stick made it easier for me to control because I'm really bad at liquid liner and felt tip and everything. So yeah, that came out really good and I'm pretty pleased with the colors. As you guys saw in my swatches, the matte shades needed a little bit more, well, they needed a little bit more pressure and product on my arm, but like on my eye they were fine. The glitter or pearl shades were the ones that needed more product and more pressure to actually show up. Some of these colors look a little bit different on than they do in the palette. So like the glitter white, I don't know if it's because it's two-tone. Like this one looks white to me. I don't know if it's showing up white, but it's pink on my arm. And then it was another color. The color I used on my lid was here. It looks a little bit more pinky tan, but it looks pretty tan on my eyelid. So yeah, but I really like it. I give it, I don't know, I don't want to say 10 out of 10 because it could be a little better. I haven't used everything, but yeah, I think it's great. You guys should definitely go try it out, check it out. It is a palette that I pretty much needed. I had only one neutral palette, and this one will go great with what I already have. So thanks guys for watching. I'm just gonna finish up and do my slow-mo, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Julo, get them right.